Hi, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I use my Denman brush to style my curly hair. Denman brushes are really great to define your curls. You can get a couple of different styles of them. I have the 9-row, you can get a 7-row and I think a 5-row. The really nice thing about these is that you can actually like pop this center part out, and then it makes it really good for cleaning. But you can also take out these rows, so then I can change the amount of rows that I have, which is really nice. I find if I have 9 rows, it gives me a little bit of a tighter curl, and then if I'm using my 7 rows, then I have just kind of like a looser curl, which is nice sometimes too. And then you just can slide her back in, which is really good for cleaning, because then when your hair gets like stuck in these, I usually take like a tail comb, but being able to like actually take it out is awesome. So I've washed my hair, conditioned it, detangled it with my tangle teaser. I find with these you can't really detangle very well because the bristles are a little tough. So I tend to find that I get a lot more like knots and stuff like ripped out, where a tangle teaser or a wet brush really works through the knots instead of just like ripping them out. So a microfiber towel is really great because it's not gonna pull on your hair, make your hair frizzy. Cotton can be a little bit too like rough on your curls. So invest in one of those, they're great. I usually just spritz my hair again, just so I can get like the right amount of moisture. I don't want it to be like dripping wet, but enough that my product can glide through really nicely. So I like to start off with a couple of pumps of hair oil, mainly focusing on my ends because that's where I'm the driest. And then I'll go in with some mousse, making sure I'm getting the very back section of my hair. I tend that people forget that section, and that's where you want most of your volume. And then I'm going in with a curl cream, again focusing in that back section, bringing it all the way into the ends. And then sometimes, not always, I'll go in with a gel as well. I find the gel really like defines the curls. This I'm scrunching into my hair. You really want to hear that squish noise because you want lots of product in there. And that's where I know I'm getting the product everywhere. I don't have any dry spots. And then to start with the Denman brush, I'm just going to section off my hair. Clip the rest away. So lifting it up at the root there, grabbing it, pulling it down and twisting the brush. And then I will create a tight spiral like so. I'm just scrunching it so it gives it a little bit of volume and texture as well. You can see by curling that brush, it's giving me a little bit more height and volume around the root area. And after I've gone through with my brush, I just like to do another little squish. You can see how like that Denman is like really defining these curls. So then I make sure I go through with a heat protectant, since I will be diffusing my hair. So first I'm just going to use a medium heat and a medium airflow just to get rid of most of the moisture, and then we can go on and actually cup and start defining those curls again. Then after you've gotten rid of most of your moisture, you're going to go in with a lower heat and a medium speed and start actually cupping your hair. And then when your hair is dry, you want to go through and like decluster some of these guys. So just nice and gently pulling them apart. Really nice and slowly because we don't want to cause any frizz at all. Basically just unraveling them. And you want to make sure that your hair is 100% dry before you do this, or it will just cause more frizz. Separating all these curls will create lots of volume too. This is optional, but I like a little bit more volume, so I will go underneath and just lightly shake just right at the root. Oh, look at the little curl. And that is how I style my hair with my Denman brush. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.